Hey fam, if you're ready to loosen up those hips, strengthen your core, and stretch out your body, this quick 5-minute routine is for you. We're focusing on flexibility and mobility while working on stability. So let's dive in and get moving. Let's start with fire hydrants to wake up those hips and glutes. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Keeping your knee bent, lift your right leg out to the side. Imagine you're opening up a door with your knee. Lower it back down and repeat. Keep your core tight and avoid leaning into the opposite side. We're building strength and mobility in the hips here, which is great for preventing injuries and improving flexibility. Switch to the left leg after 45 seconds and continue with controlled, smooth movements. Feel that burn in your glutes and outer hips. That's what we want. Next, we're moving into bird dog to work on core stability and balance. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Inhale as you lengthen, and as you exhale, bring your elbow and knee together under your body. Then extend again. Keep your core engaged and your back flat throughout the movement. Focus on control. This isn't about speed, but about keeping everything steady. You'll feel this in your abs, glutes, and back. After 45 seconds, switch to the other side. Left arm forward, right leg back. Keep breathing and moving with intention. This stretch helps strengthen your entire core while promoting balance. Now let's move into a kneeling side angle stretch and rotation to help open up the hips, sides, and shoulders. Start in a kneeling position, step your left foot out, and balance on your right arm and right knee. Extend your left arm overhead, reaching as far as you can to feel that deep stretch along your side and into your hip. Rotating your shoulder forward or back. Continue doing this, feeling that stretch along your left side. With each inhale, lengthen through your fingertips, and as you exhale, sink deeper into the stretch. After 45 seconds, switch sides. Step with your left foot forward, start with your right knee forward, and extend your right arm overhead. This stretch increases flexibility in your hips and side body, which is great for mobility and reducing tightness. Now we're taking it up with 3-leg downward dog. From all fours, lift your hips into downward dog, and then raise your left leg high toward the sky. Feel that deep stretch in your hamstrings as you lengthen your leg, keeping your hips square. Hold for 15 seconds and then switch to the right leg. This stretch opens up your hips and stretches the entire back of your body, while also building strength in your core and shoulders. Keep pressing through your palms, lifting your hips and stretching long through your lifted leg. Let's finish with a seated internal hip rotation. Sit on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee toward your left foot, allowing your hips to rotate inward. Now alternate. You can also hold for a moment and then switch sides, dropping your knees to the right. Continue alternating slowly, moving from side to side. This stretch helps increase mobility in your hips and can relieve tension that builds up from sitting all day. It's a great way to open up your hips and improve flexibility. Focus on controlled movements, and with each shift, try to let your hips relax a little more. Great job, fam! In just 5 minutes, you've activated your hips, strengthened your core, and stretched out your body. These moves are perfect for improving mobility and increasing flexibility, and keeping your muscles strong and loose. Fam, leave a comment below, let me know how you feel, and make sure you subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Let's go!